Esabite hwiro mu district ya Kitagwenda abakozi batano hamwe na mukuru wabo Richard Sebandeke bakakwatwa hanshonga z'Obushomankuzi kitumire habaho kucondoza kwa State House Monitoring Unit izo bariganyumwe bazya bakora babugaineho abakozi ba district ahanshongeji.
You do forgery, fraudulent accounting, okay? You eat PHC anyhow, misuse RDF, okay? If State House cannot do anything about these acts of criminality, then who's supposed to do something about them?
Richard Sebandeke hamwe n'abandi abakwasirwe ubwo hati bari ha police bond kandi ahitwa korra makoraga abakozi babiri bantara health center ya Kana nabo bakwasirwe.
They will find a way. There are different ways. Either your vouchers will disappear of accountability, okay? You will submit accountability and the voucher is snatched out, okay? They put you in a line of fine.
I want to reaffirm to the State House team, Office of the RDC, the district chairperson, and the district council, so long as the appointing authority has kept me in Kitagwenda, I will continue spearheading, coordinating the team so that we achieve what we are doing.
Yeah, I've had someone saying, oh, you see, people have been coming, you arrested the people the other time, yes. The rest is not yours. You focus on your work.
Ahabwembereji RDC yashaba government kutabakoza handagano emyaka ebiri yonka.
Technical officers on attainment of an appointment, they are small goats. Because they know you can, the best thing, what can you do?
Recommend that we maintain this RDC here, such that he keeps on overseeing government programs. So you deploy a cow, rather an RDC, 3 months down the road, he's gone.
Gasha kwa Timothy Mshabe.